So the way that I do it is I'm going to select this shape. Then I'm going to make a new layer. Now I'm going to take a nice turquoise color that I want to blend together. We're going to use a soft airbrush. We'll make it fairly big. I'm not using much pressure, but I just want to be consistent and just slowly blend across whatever your shape is. Now it doesn't really matter what this shape is. This is a good way to sort of blend colors together, because if you try to use the smudge brush, it's going to get messy. You can make it a little bit lighter on this side. Okay, so the reason why we do it on a new layer here is because you just have full control if you want to change the color. You can change the color. So you just have full control of your whatever it is you're shading. So it's always good to do it on a new layer. You can also change the base color. Purple is kind of nice. If you want to use a texture, a really good way to use a texture is what you can do. You can select the heart again, and then you can make a new layer above, and then you can choose sort of a dark color, and you can choose a texture brush. So we'll use Honey Eater. So now you have your texture on your shape. And you can use any of the textures. You can make it more subtle by just using the opacity. We'll use one of these soft pastels. And that makes it look like it's watercolor paper. Alright, so hopefully that was helpful. There's a lot of options. You can still change the colors even underneath the textures. If you find that you want the texture to be darker, you can duplicate it. If you want a different color for the texture, then you can adjust your colors. So it's just a good habit to really do things on different layers. But this is how I blend everything. All of my cornbread is finished. It's in the oven. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. I just want to make a quick video. I'm going to edit this down so it is quick because I just get carried away. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.